Hey everyone, and welcome to Tech Beyond the Specs. In today's video I'm going to do a simple unboxing of the new ONEXPLAYER 3 that I purchased. I was part of the early backer campaign on Indiegogo, and I'm just going to show you what you get in the box as an early backer. So as an early backer, one of the things that you do get is this little backpack, and this is a gift from ONEXPLAYER. This is the backpack here, so just to give you a little insight of what it looks like. It's one of these ones. So it looks kind of like that. One thing you also get is this big case, and this case is for obviously storing the ONEXPLAYER 3, and it just shows you the size of it. This is quite a chunky case. Yeah, that's quite big. So that's that. They do also give you a second D-pad, as I'm sure you've seen. This is just clipped in, you can see here. And then we have here, just checking. So it doesn't say what this is yet, so it's sealed. We'll check and see what that is another time. Then we got this, as them reaching a milestone, we get a HDMI to USB-C, so you can connect this directly to an HDMI TV or monitor or anything like that. Now we have the ONEXPLAYER box itself, and it's quite a big one again. I'll just try and move the camera back a little bit so you can see. It's a big box. Yeah. Here is the box here. There we go. There is a film screen protector. I believe when we met the goal, we were supposed to receive a tempered glass screen protector. This one looks like a film. I'm not sure if this is an extra one or if this is supposed to be the free screen protector that they give, because what comes with it should be pre-applied, I believe, just from reading the notes, but we'll see. So this is the ONEXPLAYER 3, and unbox it. Ta-da! There we go. Let's see, back. Okay, instantly picking it up. It feels quite nice. I can see already the fingerprints that are happening just due to the coldness. But it actually feels quite a nice weight, I have to say. I know this is heavier than the the other PC handhelds that there are, but this actually feels quite nice balance, and holding onto this it's got a nice grip to it from my initial impression. And I'll just quickly check, is there a screen protector applied? Yes, so it looks like there's a screen protector already applied, but we will double check that again. So thank you for tuning in this video. My full review, overview should I say, will be coming in the coming weeks. So look forward to that. Thank you so much for tuning in on this video, and enjoy your ONEXPLAYER 3s whenever it comes. Thank you so much for watching.